That's good coffee.
Yeah. It's actually from Chikmagalur, na?
Yeah.
If you haven't seen my travel vlog, you can click on I button to watch after this video.
We didn't see this before, right? I think we didn't have it at that time.
I think I should make a video on that equipment. What do you say?
That's a good idea.
Let's show our viewers what we are talking about.
I'll just go and get it.
Okay. So this is our product Bosch GLL3X. Let's start our video.
Hello. Welcome back to Design by Misha.
A YouTube channel that brings to you a lot of ideas and inspiration for your home. As you can see, this mirror is tilted towards one side. This tool can help you prevent this issue as you can easily check horizontal and vertical lines. GLL3X is the ideal tool for users doing the basic leveling work in interior area at relatively small job sites. The package contains batteries, protective pouch along with the power tool and manual. Power driven by 4 AA batteries. You can work with it for long hours without the stress of running out of battery and complete your job on time without any obstruction. It also includes lock and unlock button. Buzzer will sound when the laser moves beyond the permissible limit in the unlocked condition. Simply place the device near the area you want to measure. All you need to do is tap on the on or off switch as its operating mode selection and you are good to go. The measuring tool has 3 operating modes in which up to 3 laser beams are generated. To change the operating mode, press on and off button. After switching on, the measuring tool is in cross line operating mode. In cross line operation, a laser cross is indicated towards the front, as well as a vertical laser line at a 90-degree angle. In both other operating modes, both the horizontal as well as the vertical line of cross are indicated individually. Tripod is recommended to get the best performance out of the device. This home improvement product is widely used by professionals who are associated in different fields like masonry, carpentry and construction. It is used for different purposes in interior design, to measure cupboards and shelves, fixing floor skirting, laying tiles on bathroom walls, laying flooring, mounting frames on doors and windows, installing sockets and staircase railing.
Misha, stop! Here are some safety tips to keep in mind when you're operating this tool.
If laser radiation strikes your eye, you must deliberately close your eyes and immediately turn your head away from the beam. So, what are you thinking about? Go ahead and get the right product to get the best results. Thank you so much for watching this video.
I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to her channel Design by Misha.